In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a zone in Revit. Now, to create a zone, you first want to open a floor plan view, and then you want to go to the Analyze tab up top, which can be found over here about in the middle of these top tabs. In here, you can see zoning, and in here you have two options, by space or by sketch. Now, I prefer this one, so I'm just going to click on by sketch over here, and as you can see, the editing mode will be enabled. Now, what you have to do here is basically click on the individual spaces where you want to create a new zone. So if I just wanted like a zone, for example, over here, I could just click here and then here and then here and then here. And of course, it's just like basically placing walls or whatever you are creating. That way you can basically create a zone, okay? Up top, you also have options to use rectangles like this, of course, to drag like that. And if you want to add multiple, you can just go ahead and hold down your control key and of course keep adding these just like that, and it's going to keep on adding your zones. Now, whenever you are happy with the zone you're currently seeing on your screen, you could also rename it before saving. So go to the left over here, and then under identity data, you can of course change the name. So I'm going to name this one tutorial zone, okay? And then of course, whenever you've done this, you can just click on the check mark up top, and new zones are going to be added just like that, as you can see over here, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.